It is time now for better food. Are you looking for the perfect summer dessert that looks so fancy, tastes so delicious, but is actually easy to make?
Adam Young from Sift Bake Shop in Mystic is showing us how to make Panna Cotta. Some of you might know Adam as the Food Network's best baker in America.
Yes.
Louis Anderson would like you to cook for him. He wants something very exotic, but this might be it, except it's easy to make.
I'm up for the challenge. And you know what Panna Cotta is? It literally translates to cooked cream, okay? And this is the base for a lot of different flavor profiles. So in this case today, we're going to be making Greek yogurt Panna Cotta.
Greek yogurt Panna Cotta, so it's healthy.
I just said that to
Very healthy.
Right,
sure.
we've got the heavy cream, so you've got your good fats, and then you've got protein with the Greek yogurt.
Yeah,
no, just kidding.
absolutely, sure.
But this is as easy as making Jell-O, you say,
I mean,
in a
literally,
way.
it basically is, you know, a rendition of Jell-O. So we're going to set this cream. It could be fruit purees. You could put chocolate in here. You could infuse this with different fresh herbs or anything. Cheese, even. You can make savory Panna Cottas for like salads and whatnot, right? So it all starts kind of the same way. A little heated cream. Bring it to a simmer. In this case, I have a little sugar, salt, vanilla bean. I'm going to zest a little bit of lemon in there as well. So
you just put the heavy cream in, and did you bring it? You don't want to boil it, right?
No, you're going to bring it to a light simmer. You don't. We're going to add gelatin to this. So what you don't want to do, and this is protein. So when you add your gelatin in, you never want to boil gelatin like that because it kind of denatures the protein and deactivates. You won't get the full gelatinizing power of the gelatin. And in the commercial world, we use this product. Looks delicious, right?
It looks gelatinous.
And this is what we call sheet gelatin, and this is kind of like the universal gelatin for all.
What would you do at home?
Powdered. So you can buy powdered gelatin anywhere, you know, at your local grocery.
I would say it's like Knox.
Knox, exactly.
Knox gelatin.
And in this case, it's about a half an ounce for 4 quarts of liquid.
People used to come into the supermarket and say, "Where's the Knox gelatin?" I say, "It's above the frozen food case." I don't know why it was there, but that's where they put the Jell-O in the Knox gelatin.
Interesting.
I would think it would be in the baking aisle.
Yeah, I don't know why.
All right, so now we just added some gelatin. Now we're going to do Greek yogurt.
You can see we're going to give that a quick whisk, and that's going to dissolve completely.
Okay.
Right? And then I'm going to let it cool down just a touch to kind of room temperature here, and we're going to add this Greek yogurt. So what I've done here to make this even more rich and more flavorful is you can take your Greek yogurt and you can hang it in some cheesecloth or like a coffee filter overnight and let a little more of the whey drain out, and then it's super concentrated, it's very thick. It's almost like the consistency of like a hummus, right?
When you do that?
When you do that, and it's very, very rich, very flavorful.
Do you remember when you hung your yogurt into the cheesecloth and let the whey drip out, Kara?
Absolutely.
It was just last night.
But I have taken the Greek yogurt and just kind of poured it so a little bit comes out.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to, and again, you know, we're going to whisk this in, and you can pour into all sorts of different vessels, and again, you can flavor it with kind of whatever you want.
Now, can you use a flavored yogurt or no?
Oh, sure.
Yeah? Okay.
Anything, yeah.
All right.
You know, it doesn't have to be, even if you didn't use the yogurt, you could supplement with, again, cream.
What kind? Like, do you get the full-fat Greek yogurt? Can it be fat-free? Does it matter?
It doesn't matter. Just know that the more fat that's in there, when this chills, that fat is going to set a little firmer.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So you get the 4%, it's going to be firmer. Okay.
Yes. Yep. So the finished Panna Cotta base here, right? And this is good to go. Let's cool down. We're going to pour this into our desired vessels. You could even do, like, I basically poured it to like a 8x8 cake pan, like a thick glass cake pan, right? Or a baking pan. Let it gelatinize in the fridge overnight. Punch out circles with a ring cutter, right?
Oh, that's what you did. You let it be in a big. I was thinking you did each one individually. So no, you just let it be in a big square and then cut out the shapes.
And you can cut it. This is great with the kids too. Like when I'm baking with, we do, you know, baking with children, baking with my kid. We do things that are easy, you know, but like you can take an easy technique and make it look really, really stunning and make it, you know.
Because then you add these beautiful fruit and these edible flowers.
Sure, yep. So 10 Acre Farm in Woodstock does all of our edibles for us. And, you know, here we have obviously yogurt and vanilla Panna Cotta with lemon, a little lime curd. And
it's just beautiful.
Macerated berries. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
So if we wanted to make this chocolate, because I was asking you before the break, and you said it's very easy. You would just add like some cocoa.
Right. So again, cocoa and raw chocolate, I mean, any type of dark, 60 to 70% would be fine. I mean, white chocolate, milk chocolate, but just again, when it sets, the more fat that's in there, the firmer it's going to be. So if you're going to add a little chocolate to it, you might want to scale back on the gelatin a little bit.
Okay, or anything else. You said you've done it savory. We would add thyme or rosemary or anything.
Ricotta. I mean, all roasted garlic, fresh herbs, all types of things. So,
but the base that we're going to show you, because we'll have the recipe on betterct.com, but the base is the same, and then you just add things.
Exactly.
This is like art. This is, I'm afraid to eat it. It's
That's
so
very
beautiful.
kind of you to say. It is delicious, though. It's
but
delicious.
You know what, though? I love that we all have basic glasses at home.
Sure.
So this is, you don't have to be a cake decorator because the fruit's already beautiful.
Very
so you
simple.
Just put it, did you glaze your fruit and sugar?
Should we try them?
I did. So absolutely. So these are macerated berries. So you just let them sit in a little bit of sugar,
Okay.
a little lemon juice, a little zest and whatnot, and it pairs nicely with the yogurt.
It's so delicious.
Super light, right? Refreshing, summertime.
It's so good.
It's good, yeah.
So this is and then what are these? Are these little lemon drops you put in here?
A little lime curd, yeah. So,
Oh my God, that is so unbelievable.
well, thank you very much.
I eat that whole thing.
great.
Is this on the menu at the Sift Bake Shop?
So no, this is more of a plated dessert, make
Okay.
with your kids type of deal.
But what is on the menu are the blueberry scones, and I've been noshing on them because we brought a box
Oh,
of
thank you.
pastries. Get the blueberry scone at Sift Bake Shop. Don't walk, run there and get it because it's
I think
absolutely
I just dripped a real blueberry on my dress.
That's all right.
Okay, you'll have to wear the
Of course, it went below the apron. Okay. All right. Well, the official ribbon cutting and grand reopening of the Sift Bake Shop is this Saturday, 9 to 12. It's beautiful. If you've
That's
seen
right.
it on Instagram. To learn more about what Adam is now
you.
offering there, head to his website. It's siftbakeshopmystic.com. And if you're headed to